Go World Championship 2022. Game 2. Division.
The commentators are Yiding Shu, Ethan Effendi.
Alright, as people are coming back into their rooms, coming back from their breaks, we are about to start the second game of the competition, which will be Division. Each question will be worth 5 points, and each contestant must do as many problems and get as many correct in the time that we allow. So in Group A, we have Cupcake, Alexander, and Yang Zhizun.
In Group B, we have Addison Wang, Hong Hao, Lina67, Anderson Wang, and Qi Lin.
And then we have 15 people in Group C, though we cannot see all of them. We have He Anxing, Altuminium, Darren, Sam, and Yoxin Hao.
And in Group D, we have Chloe K, Lim Yonghan, Wen Swan, Qiu, and Dadu.
With the competition just about to start, keep in mind that the bar is going to be a representative of how many questions each contestant has been doing by far, and it's not how many points they have. To tell how many points is the number beside their name. These students have been getting ready for a very long time, ever since the previous competition. And we are all excited to see how they do in this branch of Division games. It looks like if the Division game has started, Alexander taking the lead in Group A, and He Anxing being tied with 2 other people.
So in Group D, we have Lu Guanhao taking the lead, and in Group B, we have Kanisha taking the lead.
You can see in Group C, competition is very tight as each person is only 5 points apart, aka just one problem. So anybody who can get another question in can easily get first place. So it is very tight. In Group A, we can see that the gap is a bit bigger with Yang Zhizun taking the lead with Alexander in 2nd place and Cupcake in 3rd place.
In Group B, Qi Lin has taken 1st place.
And it looks like our standings have started to been established as the gap grows bigger in Group A. And Group C, though still very close together, nobody seems to be getting ahead of other people. Our standings seem to be pretty consistent with around the same people, and still with very tight point differences.
In Group D, a gap is growing of about 50 points.
It looks like He Anxing has fallen from 1st place, but is quickly going back up to the 1st place, and he falls again, but we'll see if he manages to get his spot back.
And in Group B, competition is tight with only about a 20-30 point difference. And Qi Lin is still in lead, Kanisha in 2nd, and Ryan 2013 in 3rd.
And going back to Group A, it looks like changings has not, our places have not changed at all, and there is still that big point gap in between each of our 3 competitors. And keep in mind, our Group A students are underneath 5-6 years old, so them participating in this competition is a very impressive thing.
And in Group D, we still have Lu Guanhao in 1st place, and the point gap has grown to nearly 100 points. However, in Group B, it still remains about a 20 to 30 point difference with Qi Lin in 1st place. We have 12 contestants in this category.
Things in Group C seems to have halted a little bit, with questions getting progressively harder as the competition goes on, and time is up for all 4 groups. So now we'll be looking at the final standings. In Group A, Yang Zhizun holds 1st place with Alexander in 2nd place and Cupcake in 3rd place.
In Group B, we have Qi Lin in 1st place and Kanisha in 2nd place.
All right, and then in Group C, we have Mickey in 1st place, He Anxing, in second place, Darren in third place.
And in Group D, we have Lu Guanhao in first place, Daniel123 in second place, and Nickname in third place.
All right, and that is it for the division game. And now the competitors will be going on a short break as our third game starts shortly. That will be addition and subtraction.